interview, this not conversation.
Which is right.
Yes, and of course we they stream live. We there on Facebook, we there on YouTube, across the world. People come through. You go if you also send your own questions. Stonebwoy there in the building, you know him. Yes, the superstar. You know this guy. All right. So somebody say hi, Church. I dey here live from Sweden. We see you too. So welcome. A different part of the world where you listen from. I know say Ghana people that they watch now also. You listen, guys, to drop your own messages. So make we talk music.
Which is right.
Yes. So the African sound.
Crazy.
So I want, when I look so many notable names from Ghana to South Africa to Nigeria, we move around to Tanzania, different places, all of one a day.
To Ivory Coast,
I tell you, in the
Sierra
midst,
Leone, Gambia,
and you guys reigning at the same time,
Kenya, Morocco,
taking your sport, exporting this thing across the world. Tell me how you feel to be at the time like this, doing music, representing Africa.
Give thanks. It's a duty call, to be honest. As much as music is music on its own, I think is divine. It's a gift that you have to be given, because this work, as you see, like you've rightfully represented it, it's like it's a voice of the people, is a look of the people, is a way of the people, is a lifestyle of the people that we interpret, being musicians. Because we don't just sing only. We sing in different tongues, different languages, different styles. Like, without creativity, art, and culture, I don't think that African image can be properly represented or seen, aside the color of us black people. So it's a huge call, it's a huge duty, and I feel very privileged to be chosen by Divine to be one of those people who have been kicking it strongly for the past 13 years and more.
13 years.
You know what I mean? And that tells you that coming this far, today you've seen that within the past 10 years and more, the African music has broken several envelopes and have pushed the knobs and have, it's increased hopes of connectivity. It's giving acceptance to us. And credit can definitely, we can't leave our predecessors. We can't leave our people who founded some of these things. So at every level, when we are feeling happy and we're feeling grateful to be involved in this era where we've actually, in our time when we're seeing that we're doing a lot of things in the West, things have been done to bring us here. So I can only be grateful that we are continuing the duties of our forefathers.
Awesome.
At this time.
Awesome.
And I'm part of the chosen.
I like how you break them down. And also they appreciate when I see people where they do music and we also understand the business of music.
Which is right.
I they appreciate them. Now, make we also talk about, you mentioned 13 years. This is not Spotlight. I remember the last interview where me and you it been happen via Skype.
Yeah,
yes, I remember. You
yeah,
remember.
yeah.
Now we there live in the studio. And yes, I see plenty people. Okay, so they say you guys speak the Ghanaian pidgin. Yes, they come. They come, no worry, go speak them. They say make you speak the Ghanaian kind of pidgin.
How many of them say make us speak them? That person,
I don't count.
We go come to say, please, we.
No apology.
Okay, I'll speak it.
Yes.
I mean, I'm just being nice about it. Yeah,
I understand. Speak them anyhow way you guys speak them.
Majority of us are being kinged and school fees are paid for us to learn this Queen language. No be so. So I think that cuts across even more, because the pidgin on this platform is what we are speaking already. So we want to descend to the listeners, the global listeners that are tuning as well. So the simple English now also go they walk alongside. No be so.
Yes, well, we'll continue to break them in. But then from 13 years to this time where you day. Now, music then, I want to make you just reflect back. Yes, when you start this music, you mentioned 13 years ago, and then you don't do your thing. You be a CEO in your own company or group of companies.
That's right.
Yeah, make I talk about how music being for you then and now. Some of the things where you don't learn as you they go on, and also now really music you want do from the beginning of time.
That's why I believe say I don't talk nicely from the beginning. Say this music itself is I think is a gift, you know what I mean, and it's a duty as well. So irrespective, I think I started at a very early age, knowing that I have the gift of it. Somebody look my face the other day, content say your own. no be talent or na inheritance. I come look the person well because nobody ever tell me that
kind of thing before.
In that kind of description. And you see, words are powerful, and how some people feel and are able to express it is very important for us to take note. You know what I mean? So I think things have changed or things have improved, and definitely there must be growth. So from as long as I have been, I think that I love music. I could actually, sing. I was a happy kid all them one day, but it got to a point in life where not only music day for you to do. So God finds a way to get you to do what you got to do. You know what I mean? Like as he called Moses like that.
Yes.
Moses. He can't make her in a way. You see, even Job in the Bible, I'm just using stories.
Yes,
from different
yes,
places.
I like that.
These are the stories we've learned. He can't make the man come sick, all these ones, just to put him in a certain one direction. That's the only direction he go face. That's kind of like how I see my calling as a,
It's a calling and
Exactly.
not gift to be. So make we talk about, I know of your 2020 album being dropped 2020.
Exactly. I dropped my last album in 2020.
2020.
Which
So
is called Angloga Junction album.
yes.
Representing from my village.
Yes, what be
Angloga
something
my
junction.
Village. Nah, junction.
Yes.
But Angloga my
Angloga.
village.
Tell me
They don't say
why.
Angloga Junction. It be like me to say Abeokuta Junction.
Okay, I'll show the junction. Tell me why you decide to name that album, that 2020 album, that Angloga
Because
junction.
now my place be that. Now my father place, my mother's my place. So I just decide say no, I have to give it an identity.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Where people go feel relate
Where people
to.
no go feel mention. Because it's sorry, not
No, but your
typically not to
album
be
make
able-
everybody learn how to
exactly.
mention them.
All right,
Aha.
that's what I'm trying to do.
Ow.
So basically, you they sell yourself well, so people can get rooted
From
in your
afar,
identity.
take.
If you know, see and well, you go talk say Angola.
Yes.
If you say Angola, say Angola and Africa.
I,
So you're still
I
coming
swear
home.
down. The first time when
Yeah.
I say Angola, no,
Yeah,
but
that was
but
the
he's
brain behind
Ghanaian.
it. Yeah,
But he's Ghanaian.
Exactly. So
So nice.
in everything they do, they manage, say there is a need to constantly represent and remind them of where you're from, which is Africa in the whole.
Wow.
Because trust me, life is war as we they fight them. So other people not just they do anything anyhow just to say they do them. There's meaning behind it, because as much as we are one human race, there's a race for supremacy amongst the races. See it? So we have to be conscious about
What we they do also.
and making sure that we're representing consciously, peacefully, honestly ourselves in everything we do.
So now we be the signpost as we they walk up and down.
You see how they look now. Nobody can say you're not from.
No questions.
If I don't know, say Binaja, me go to say from South.
No, I they go everywhere. Is it that are you from South Africa, from Tanzania?
Exactly.
You be Kenya? I say Africa.
Exactly.
Africa.
But the representation. That's just why I named the album with the name of where my parents come from, like village Angloga Junction.
Nice. Okay, so we could talk about Gidigba. Since we talk about the meaning. So when they talk about getting to put meaning inside the particular thing or anything where we name, why Gidigba now? For Nigeria over here, the word Gidigba now something where they strong, huh?
Exactly.
Something where stand feet or
Exactly.
Tell me, where when you decide say the name of this particular single go be Gidigba and why?
Now the same day they record this song, as me and Phantom, Nigerian producer, I was in my house, we
Phantom,
were fixing
nice.
things, and that's how the song was building. So naturally, that melody will come for the chorus melody. That's the one. Now Gidigba, it comes sound like they'll say, all right. So I just go say I'm that way there, and definitely that's a Nigerian slogan or a Nigerian word that is used every day. As much as it's meaningful in my local dialect as well, which we have the boy, which the Gidigba definitely means the same. But remember, say the West African cluster of languages, it is birthed from one, the Congogbe. It's birthed from most of our languages are birthed from one.
And now why you they see a pocket of farm from different places?
From different.
Yes.
So we're same people. So again, I decided let's call it Gidigba Aside and just put that meaning firm and strong underneath it. It's still directing self-identity inside of that one as Africans. You get what I'm saying?
Awesome. And then we'll go hear that song because superstar DJ Indo no go feel wait for us to feel sample that song.
And today that song drop.
Oh my goodness. So you didn't hear them first from 95.1 your Chook Mouth station was Zobia FM Cheche. Tell them to freestyle. Okay, we'll go do the needful later. Lagos will see the stream live on top Facebook, on top YouTube. Find us, send your messages in also for WhatsApp 08095975808. If I get the time, I go open the phone lines for you to say hello, Chale, what's up? Okay, Lagos as it be things inside this building. But first of all, make we hear Gidigba, superstar DJ Indo. Your vibes, Stonebwoy. Okay, Cheche, allow him to do that freestyle. It must be done. Okay, thank you. I like how all of us they run the show together right now, right? So I did on Facebook. Make I read your messages. Cheche Love, Stephen Rocco. I see you. Somebody say beam. What be your response?
That's it.
Beam.
That's it. It's just loud energy.
Okay. Now, what did they send you? Say beam.
Beam, 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 beam. You know, so it's just like, some energy. That's it. They know the vibes.
Awesome. Cheche, my love, well done. I love Stonebwoy. Cheche, ask Sam about in relationship with some of our artists. Calm down. We dey stand Gidigba now.
Straight away.
Okay, Cheche, I love him so much. Okay, he love you too. The stream live on top YouTube right now. Guys, fire down. Okay. Somebody say, please, I'm a Ghanaian. Everyone should subscribe. Okay, he said, make the follow Stonebwoy. Please follow Stonebwoy. Okay.
This is right.
Sugar in the building representing with African hair. Well done, darling. Stonebwoy, please, you get any best friend in the industry? Somebody want to know a fan of yours. Say, you get any friend in the industry? When you talk industry, I believe they talk about Africa as a whole, huh?
Yeah, man. Friends, definitely. Friends and family and acquaintances and all these ones,
But you get any bestie?
Definitely. Bestie.
Mm-hmm.
It depends how you go describe bestie, because lately these words are used faintly, and the things that are, it's not really meaning of what it is. So I'll just be safe to say I have friends, that I really respect and love. Basically like Davido, from Burner to Whiskey to Tiwa to producers like, to Don Jazzy to
Phantom?
Johnson, Messi Johnson, all them
Messi Johnson, yes, the actress. Now you mentioned
Ibrahim,
you too.
Enough.
You
names.
don't act in couple of movies.
Just one and two, you know what I mean?
Yes. So now something where we say you really want to go inside this?
I wouldn't mind. To
act.
I wouldn't mind.
So the whole creative works.
I remember writing plays before I wrote the first music.
You did the right play?
Long time before I wrote the first music. That's the truth. So
okay.
I know that's something that's there as well. But irrespective, I think music comes as a whole. When they ask this music movie, most of the time my music videos I've written, but I don't want to put my name on any credit or whatever. So
But why, especially now, the split shit and things that cause wahala everywhere?
Yeah, for real, I know, right? I know, but it's all right. It's my own music videos, so ain't nobody gonna take.
Who writes Gidigba?
Gidigba now me right at 100. But then I had Phantom in the studio.
Yes.
And I had two of his bridging give some energies, so I have to give credits to, all them man the same way.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Aside from music, wetin else go give you that level of joy with music they give you?
Music.
Or nothing they compete with music?
I tell you honestly, to be honest, this world where we did realistically.
Yes. Realistically, I like
that. We all know things where they give us joy as adults.
I don't know.
As kids now, candy, give them candy and give them some go jump on trampoline.
Then as adults.
But as adults, we ready to use music.
Okay.
You know now, me
not I don't know. Music. I don't know.
Waiting, I just say not in past music. Okay. Or music.
Yes, because they come with different kind of vibes.
So you can say plus, but aside music now powerful. Aside that one, everything else now private business.
Really?
CB.
But anything do ever, in the course of the 13 years where you do music, anything do ever happen to you will make you reason like say this music they stress me out, Seth?
It is stress from beginning to end. Just like everything as well. I mean, I'm sorry I'm quick to. I've said it. I didn't even breathe over that.
Yes, and I'm
stress. Stress in a sense there's a lot of work. Stress in a sense that you're dealing with million people, multiple opinions. So you have to actually be in the known that you will be dealing with a lot of stress, to be honest.
I remember also some people, some little birds, they whisper to me, say, when it comes to music, the Ghanaian people, they laid back. Nobody said they know they work, but they laid back. They more chilled compared to maybe Nigerians, to South Africans, to Tanzania. Say Ghanaians, nobody say they know they do the music the way what other people they do, but they more relaxed. How true that thing?
I think it's in our nature. Somebody would say that Ghanaians are kind, and then they are jealous and they are peaceful.
I love that you mentioned the word jealous.
I'm coming from different school of thoughts.
Yes.
And then some people will say Nigerians are aggressive. They are
loud.
They are loud. Different descriptions.
Yes.
So basically, sometimes when you check it out, you know that it's not too far from reality. As in, It's obvious. It's showing. Like a Nigerian will go forth, but a Ghanaian would think like 10 times before they
move.
But the truth is the truth. So that's one of the things that I respect about our brother Ghanaians and our brother Nigerians. You know what I mean? So all of us have different traits that collectively make us the Africans that we are. We have similar traits and some different traits as well. So basically, you're right. We're doing the music and we know people love us and things, and we definitely have to push into space. That's why I'm here. I dropped this song here in Nigeria today.
Yes.
So some of us are actually have been pushing the envelope. So it's not we're not really laid back like we really want to be, because in this business you have to push. And definitely Nigeria has stood out to be the one that transports African products to the world the most. I stand to be corrected, but this is my submission.
Yeah.
When Amapiano came through, we gave it, Nigerians gave it.
It can't be like Amapiano never did. Immediately Nigerians touch them, boom.
Which is right.
And it can't become like say that they drag them.
So you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So that's the truth. So I think our brother nation, this is what they're meant for. This is how they go. So the earlier we all realize that we need to, and this is like a simple plea, irrespective, we all play our different roles. And Ghana actually has been an inspiration hub for creativity, especially among Nigerians as fellow brothers.
Awesome.
Because my own brother Wiz would spend more time in Ghana more. There must be a reason for that.
Yes.
Burner would once say that, he picks inspiration from Ghana.
I think because of the environment, you think so too?
Exactly. So there are peaceful environments over here as well that give people creative, they make their creative juices flow. But everybody gives or brings something to the table, which
so
you're
not supposed they bring fight, you're supposed to bring unity.
Exactly.
And now why I think say you stand for that unity, because I remember when you made Davido for Ghana, the last time on a meet, and then you begin the plea for unity and everything, how it's supposed to together.
Exactly, because sometimes, because we're in an industry where it's filled with ego. I was saying the other day, I don't know which part of music makes it right that we have a lot of hatred, a lot of ego, a lot of pain, a lot of jealousy. These traits are found in several other occupations, but in music, it's like you have to have it. But I don't really see it as such. So most often, I'm very honest, and we're all not perfect anyway. We see things from different perspectives. But for me, I believe that, look, to be straight and honest is to actually be truthful to one another. So me, I don't just fall for any artist just because I'm falling for them or because they're big or because they're small. I just respect people first and foremost before what they do. So any relationship that you've found me and any Nigerian artist, brother or sister in, must be a very genuine, truthful relationship, at least coming from my end, not because of how big or how small they are, but just because we've encountered each other and we have some things to offer each other.
Bim!
To the world.
Now wait till we talk. And
anybody will say beam.
Yes.
Now to the world.
Okay, now why I asking them to respond? So
I never get on that way to the world. To the world.
I like that. Yeah. All right, we get plenty messages. Also, I go still read them. No, what? Calm yourself down. You go do the freestyle, huh? And somebody say, Cheche, can we please talk to him on the phone lines? I they try my best. Okay, everybody they ask from different parts of the world. Cheche, nice one. Stonebwoy, nice to have you here. Are they glass? Are they listen? Somebody say, are they listen all the way from Gambia? I go for business. I love this guy.
Big up. I love the Gambia massive.
Okay. Somebody say from Sweden, sending love and light to him. Thank you for the African unity. Where you they push. They say where you they push. Sure. They like him. Okay, listening inside Lagos, Wazobia to the world and Beam to the world also. To
the world.
Cheche, nice one. Aksam in relationship, no. Okay, so
somebody Aksam in relationship, because say no. All right.
We then move forward. Okay. So, Chacha, please, I need make you ask something about him and the female artist. It's still the same thing. You come the other way. The female artists in Ghana, I got that they being sisters.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So some people want to make you talk about your
the female artists, yes,
in Ghana and your relationship work-wise.
I should be quick to say that I have a lot of love for my sisters. And I've been inputting. To be honest, I just finished my festival, which is Ashaiman to the World, and I had all the sisters come through to show love. Those who can. I had Efia, I had Adina, I had
Adina. I've been get her for spotlight sometimes.
I know, right? Mizvi is not around, so but Mizvi. I have Eno. Okay. She's the baddest rapper, female. and we had.
See the DJ smiling. The DJ get a thing for all of them.
You see, and bro, and here in Nigeria as well, definitely Tiwa, definitely
Yemi Alade.
Yes, I know. Let me get something for you go come soon. And
all right.
This Niniola, yes, Niniola is my G as well.
Una go dance. You and Niniola, please dance.
Yes, so me I can't do dance. And the names
Nini go teach you.
And
Cynthia Morgan.
These are people I've done records with as well. And I'm looking forward to doing something with Waje.
Okay.
And Asha.
Voice and Asha.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Big respect to all of them.
Make I just say bim.
To the world.
Okay. Hi, Sugar. I love this conversation. You've been talking, say it go be conversation. Yes, it's a conversation. This guy is actually very intelligent. Respect to him, Stonebwoy. Don Willie, they meet you for the first time.
Thank you very much.
He said you actually, they're very much intelligent. Okay, so we're going to need to get that freestyle going. Somebody say, Cheche, know how, where you know go ask about Shatawale. How come I continue to the dodge and I continue to lead me on? Forget. Something about Shatawale.
Nah, freestyle we go do now. That's all we drop.
You see, I they dodge and another ask. Now Gidigba they talk about now. Come on, people, calm down. DJ, you ready? Okay, DJ say don't ready. Make you feel I'm not Gidigba.
Make you listen to me sing that song. No be so. All the African people same way. One love, but them never realize that money, but they never.
And I know, say all of una they enjoy this particular chat with Stonebwoy in the building, and plenty of una also they send out love to him. He say this song na banger, Cheche. I hope say Digital capture wetin he just do now. Come on, Digital na joke to you. Digital na joke to you. Hello, Digital, I be joke to these people. Okay, yes, they go feel rewatch him, right? Yeah, okay, somebody say sending out love to him. Now Gidigba they talk about Cheche, please make una do video for TikTok, please. Yeah.
For real.
DJ Indo also somebody they send out love to you. Said the DJ doing his thing. Cheche, please, where I go feel find Gidigba to feel listen to.
Gidigba they all over. Now today drop, but today all over from iTunes to wherever, Spotify to SoundCloud to Audio Mac, to TikTok, to IG Reel, to everywhere. Just Stonebwoy, Stonebwoy, on all platforms, social media platforms. You're gonna get a Gidigba, just like how it's spelled in Naija.
Yes.
Gidigba.
Somebody they ask, say, waiting go be the dance for Gidigba. I have an idea. Don't worry. Idea, he get them yakpa too. No worry, you go here. Somebody say, when the video they drop for Gidigba, we need to dance.
Immediately though, it's coming.
Okay, the video they come.
Yeah, it's already shot, so it's coming.
I can't wait. Yeah. Okay, Cheche, this guy is too much. I they try read all your messages. Some they accuse me of not opening phone lines. This guy did too much. I just they clap here. God really bless this guy, man.
Thank you, man.
Boss lady, I they feel the vibe, and of course my Ghanaian brother in the building, Olufunke, they send our greetings to you. Great. And that person said, Cheche, bim.
Do the word.
You know. I feel you people in the building. We feel you too. The guy reminds me of Azadios, Cheche. Thumbs up to him. Ikechuku, they hail you. All right, Cheche, good morning from the US. Ephraim from Dallas. He say your guest artist Stonebwoy is vibrant, articulate.
Thank you so much.
And it's very transparent. He said talking about unity amongst them and artists and every other thing where they happen. He said respect to you. Keep up growing, bro. Another person want to know when you they come UK. Say when you get shows.
Immediately. I know next year is going to be a tour year for me again. I mean, I just left Europe on festival tours, you know, but I'm going to come for the album tour basically. So America, get ready. March, April, May, they're about, so surely tell back. And then UK is gonna follow up next.
Now I know say Ghana they always catch fire every December. Catching fire in a very good you understand, because people they look out to come Ghana.
Exactly.
Now, so tell me what are the plans for you, because I know say when people they come your home, no be time where you
where they fly out.
Yes.
For this December, I'm gonna try speak am Naija pidgin.
Yes.
For this December,
what thing go they happen?
It go shake. Be say with the headline Afrochella.
Woo!
Me and Burna Boy the headline Afrochella. So you know, make that's gonna be too much. That's gonna be something else.
Yes, Wazobia FM and Cool FM go there live too. So we go capture you.
Quick and fast. And then we also headline as favorite special guest for Afro Nation Festival.
So many things.
And I say also, if you know Stonebwoy, you know I always have my yearly concert, which is Beam concert.
Yeah.
That concert where they connect Caribbean to Africa every year.
Awesome.
Last year I have Beanie Man. It was Choke. This year we're gonna have some special guests. So we have the Beam concert on the 23rd. Now my own they start on 23rd, and then
before every other thing will begin to happen.
Everybody roll out to Ghana. You guys know how you stay. Make sure you come through. Get your tickets now.
All right. Wait. Somebody say what be your favorite Ghanaian food?
My favorite food, Now be just fufu,
no talking.
Fufu and groundnut soup.
Groundnut soup.
I don't know what do you say. But we go talk say peanut butter soup.
It's not groundnut soup.
Nah, groundnut.
Try and be peanut butter.
For the ajebo.
But I like kenke though.
Yeah, kenke is dope as well. Kenke and pepper.
Yes.
Shito.
Yes.
And fish, or me, I like it. Once I eat that one, I'm done, because me to eat they disturb me.
Why?
I be somebody way to sit down and eat. Now disturbance be that. So once I get fufu and some pass, I know. So
we go feel hold you.
Are they okay for the rest of the day?
But you sabi cook.
Oh, cook.
Yes.
Sincerely speaking, that side.
But you dey cook music.
The simple foods we go fit cook.
Yes. Like which one be the simple food?
If it come be say my sister na chef, professional chef.
So
you never allow me.
What be the simple food where
na rice and stew, na all this boil water and fry something, indomie level, boil egg. All this groundnut soup, I no fit go there right now. But I go learn.
But your favorite food, go learn am o. Na your favorite dish.
Yeah, but you see, in everything you just have to be transparent and
just do your music
and be real.
Wale, they send you he said they send you love all the way from the UK. He said every Ghanaian rapper come to Nigeria to receive. I love the way that his unity is real.
Thank you,
somebody say, wow, this guy na bomb, man. Okay. Hi, Cheche. Please on repeat already. Please, you should repeat. No, now you go watch him for different platforms. He there on repeat already. Sending him love all the way from Canada. He love you too.
Wow.
The guy really tried. The music on top play. I don't download Cheche. Cheche straight. I don't download Gidigba. The vibe for December.
Yes, now the vibe for December be that.
Yes.
After the cruise they go.
Yes.
Make nobody disturb you. Gidigba, we dey form Gidigba.
Hey.
Gidigba, we dey form. Cause you dey form.
Yes.
If you never dey form, you go dey form. So you are. That's the interpretation of
words
song.
of marble.
If you listen to the song say Gidigba, we dey form Gidigba, cause you dey confident, you dey form, and Gidigba, we dey form Gidigba.
Awesome.
You see as it be.
So we dey come is a migration. You move from here to here.
Wow. You see,
thank God say you explain
now so
the mindset.
You see.
I love your tattoo.
Thank you. Now all these small ones.
You get meaning.
Plenty.
Tell me one or two before we wrap up.
You see now the beam where them they talk. So
Beam. Wetin beam mean?
Beam be like sound where you see, cause me I believe in words, sounds and power, because now words and sounds and power now in work we they do from divine.
Yes.
So when you hear beep 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 beep, you know say yo. Now it can't be like a gunshot. It can't be like a hand. So when you see that one, you just say to the world, because where we from, where we come from, and where God bring us and where we they go. No be say to believe in His Imperial Majesty, so which is BHIM.
You can't make me the thing deep now.
If we never believe in His Imperial Majesty, we never reach anywhere. And His Imperial Majesty is the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. You know what I mean?
Come on, hallelujah.
Some call Him God, some call Him Allah, some call Him
anyone where they call Him.
Buddha, some call Him
was the supreme being.
Rastafari, but there's a supreme being. Now Him bring us here. Now that thing will be my
respect.
Rock. So you see it when you see beam. You know, say it means say believe in His Imperial Majesty, bless His Imperial Majesty. Anything good will start with B. You can form your own acronym, but now His Imperial Majesty be the end of end.
Awesome.
You see it. So
I
you
like.
Don't know.
I get one too, but I don't know if you explain them. But thank you.
That one now for you and your people. The place where you point like this. no be inspirational, na sensual.
No, inspirational actually, depending on where they come from. Oh, Stonebwoy, I love this guy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Somebody say I love your vibe. Thank you, Cheche, for bringing him. And that person say I listen and I love his conversation. Nice one. But Lagos, you go fit catch the recap of this segment. He there on YouTube, he there on Facebook, and of course Stonebwoy's own platform on YouTube too. You go fit catch up all in Waka and everything. So now, how long is the day in Nigeria now?
I have a few more days to run away.
And then you work with plenty other people, right?
Yes.
I know it's all work.
You know, when there's time, we'll do stuff, but
and all that. But any Nigerian food where you don't chop, because I know say they come Nigeria often.
Right now, I just ate some pastry from the corner.
Which one they give you pastry now? May they carry go here no
the one where they corner like this.
Yeah, na chocolate royale.
Give one shout out now. Now you feed us.
No, now we get them.
Now you feed me. Yesterday that they said, I tell you, say me with food. But yesterday night I ate this waiter was telling me was laughing because he never understand the combination where I say I won't do.
What do you want?
Me too come they laugh and say he no nothing. Because the thing we say, I come do eba.
Yes.
And chicken stew.
Yeah.
That's it. Simple. The man say
eba and stew.
Yeah.
Somebody,
is somebody laughing over here?
What's all this? Eba and stew. You never put soup now.
That's it for me now. Wetin be
Stonebwoy.
I said the waiter they go come they laugh.
They don't put okra, but put okra.
No.
Vegetable.
Everybody get wetin they eat simply and go forward.
So you don't like vegetable?
I do like vegetable, but what I was feeling for was like turkey stew and eba. It goes.
It goes for who and who?
It goes for me and whoever like it. Aba, you see, so you did the same with the waiter. No, but now mental thing, oh.
Yes, it is.
Now mental,
I know.
Sometimes they say even rice and no fit go with soup before.
No, now they lie because you don't they go now. They go with
but they go too with stew, chicken stew, turkey stew.
I go try them tomorrow.
Try.
All right, Lagos, I'll say you enjoy your time.
But I'm waiting to check out the jollof. Like this year, I'm being very honest.
Seriously, but so you never chop Nigerian jollof before?
I'm being honest.
Stonebwoy.
The ones where I never ever, I won't say I have because that's not what represents Nigeria. So I'm waiting to.
And it guys be the local way of they take prepare the jollof. No go enter jollof. You get some place where they use firewood cook them. Now the real one.
That's what somebody said this morning. But I say now that same firewood smoke. Now you go put me off. So just give me one nice
Stonebwoy,
one.
that is a person who use food appease you, sha. Because this is the way they talk now. You have food again. But seriously, Nigerian jollof rice. We know they argue on.
No, I don't know. But
you don't know.
You see, this thing it's going to be a long-lasting, beautiful war.
Yes.
This one.
I love the word beautiful.
I was going to stress on it because it's gonna last. It can't change because guess what? We are dealing with tastes.
Yes.
We're not dealing with 1+1. They say spell wazobia now WZOBIA. But they say your taste for this particular food,
yes,
it could be different from the way.
But when I come Ghana chop Ghanaian jollof rice, it not really come up like that.
Exactly.
But the kenke and the shito and everything, nice.
Exactly.
Someone I leave that jollof thing.
Same way, I also might check it out and I'll be honest with you. But wait till everything will be pepper soup, chicken. Now you guys be that.
Yes.
Now all this.
Thank you, Jare.
So even that this jollof self, the owners they watch us like.
No, call the owners. They don't sabi anything for that side. I said what I said. I go still get visa come on our country. Thank you. Stonebwoy, it's been a pleasure. And I hope say you enjoy your time on top of Wazobia FM.
I really did, and I thank you guys for having me here and checking out the music, representing for Africa as a whole. You guys are like a driving force. I repeat, Naija, our brothers are like a driving force. And guess what? The more you guys, bring us in, and we also add what we have to add, that's how we can continue to keep flooding the whole West, flooding the world, and taking on our own crown and cloth and forming Gidigba.
That the boss stop be that. Right. All right, and like I tell you before, Kaji recap on YouTube, on Facebook. We love on our plenty. Next go be Palava, and of course you still get me for here. We got to do this dance concerning Gidigba. You go see the dance on TikTok, on every platform. You go see them. I dey hyped and pumped. And they come back, Lagos superstar DJ Indo. Shout out to you, the best.